Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring firmware and iOS meet requirements. This prevents connection and feature errors. Once done, pair your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone and confirm they appear in Bluetooth. Make sure Translate and Live Listen or Translate tile are enabled in Control Center so you can access them instantly. You want the Translate tile visible. It speeds switching between modes. This first pass gets hardware and permissions ready, so the live translation flow won't be blocked by settings later. You open the Translate app or tap the Translate tile in Control Center to begin. Next, pick the languages, source, and target, and use Auto Detect if you don't know the incoming language. This reduces manual switching. Once selected, switch to conversation mode and put both AirPods in. The system will route audio through them. Make sure the person speaking faces your iPhone microphone or stays close to the AirPods if you're using them as the input device, because clear audio equals accurate translation. You finish by testing a short phrase and confirming the translated audio plays through the AirPods. If latency or misfires happen, tap a microphone to force recognition and speak clearly, because that instantly improves accuracy. Make minor tweaks. Raise playback volume, move closer to the mic, or switch noise cancellation off to reduce processing. If things still fail, repair the AirPods or restart the Translate app. This refreshes the audio session and usually resolves lingering connection or buffering.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.